The complaints that I've been receiving is that there isn't timely information to the bond investors as to what's happening in the issuers or in the company that issued the bond. If things are going down, they want to be informed.
Well, we won't speak for other banks,
Yes.
but we do keep
DBS
our
does.
investors informed, not just of the developments within the industries that the bond issuers operate in, but
Is that
also
the
the
duty of the
specifics
bank
of the
or is
bonds.
the duty of the issuer?
Well, it is the duty of the
Both, isn't it?
distributor
Yeah.
to keep our clients informed in a timely manner, and we do that.
Right.
And indeed,
And
middle
the
of
issuer has to also,
Also,
come forth
correct.
Yes.
with information
Yes, not
you
at the
know, at
last
a
minute,
timely
you know.
manner,
Yes.
right?
Timely
If they
manner.
don't
Yes.
tell us, we
Yes.
don't know, frankly.
Yes.
In a
One of
truthful
needs to
manner.
the
be-
most contentious points is that we were kept in the dark, and all of a sudden we received something saying, "Hey guys, sorry, you're gone." You know,
Well-
so they don't want that to
Yeah.
happen.
Well,
Yeah, right?
I think,
Yeah.
David, there is one constraint on issuers which are publicly
Sure.
listed because some of this information is price sensitive,
Right.
as it is likely to be.
Yes.
I think they have to treat the bondholder group as really members of the public because
Right.
sometimes the issuer doesn't even know who are the bondholders if they are held through a trust.
Right.
And so they are caught in the situation where if they give information to the bondholders which is not publicly available and the information is price sensitive,
Right.
that could have an impact on their obligations under
Right.
as a result of the listing status.
Mr. SGX will confirm that.
Of course, but I think Eng Beng, as you pointed out as well, if it's a public issuer, the information on public companies is filed on a quarterly basis. So investors in a company, be it equity or bonds, have full access
So
to
there
that
is a
information.
constraint, yeah.
To Sabun's point earlier, you can't buy a product, invest in a company, whether it's through debt or through equity, and just leave it there and waiting for someone to inform you. As SIAS, I think, has a very good sort of message, smart investors always succeed, and that requires them to actually continue to monitor their investments, continue to get updates on what their investments are, and not just be reactive when someone informs them of a situation. I think it's important that banks and other financial institutions, as distributors, as originators of the product, continue to keep their customers informed.
Yes.
From an SGX perspective, for bonds that are listed on our platform, we actually provide for free the information,
Yes.
memorandums, and all this information.
Yes.
And we also provide, even for wholesale bonds that are not publicly traded, an evaluated bond price. So we try to encourage and we provide the tools for more information and disclosure, but we can't push these tools to unknown individuals.
And Eng Beng, I mean, in a caveat emptor market, it is the responsibility of the investor more than the issuer or the distributor to do these sort of things. They have to do, but it is not a legal requirement. It's not an expectation on the part of you as a lawyer. When a client comes to you and say, "Why didn't they inform you?" No, you would say, "Why didn't you keep yourself informed?"
Yes, I think the expectation is that if you are invested in a certain product, I think you do have some responsibility to monitor and to take initiative to find out what's happening.
Yes.
Having said that, the reality is that in a distress situation, events can unfold rapidly over a few days, a few weeks,
Yes.
and these events are, they're shades as
Yes.
to whether a particular development should be disclosed.
Sure.
An event such as that a potential investor has emerged, but there's no agreement. Now,
Yeah.
do you disclose that or do you not disclose that? I think those are judgment calls that have to be made
Yes,
in a distress situation.
Yes.
So it naturally will be the case that the investors will feel anxious, and sometimes they may not understand why certain things are not disclosed until a
Yes.
particular stage.
Yes.
And I think they have to look at the totality of the
Yes,
situation.
I mean, they put it to Asian culture that, and they were comparing with Western culture and Asian culture, the dialogue sessions we had. Why didn't you talk to us? Why didn't you call us in? Why didn't you tell us? So, I mean, this is the legal situation. I mean, there is a sensitivity here.